Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to log out Gmail account from other phone or how to log out Gmail account from another phone. Want to log out or sign out or remove your Gmail account from other phone or another phone, or Google account from other phone or another phone. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this time I can show fast process. So first of all, go to your phone settings. After that, choose and open phone settings. Scroll down. After that, choose and open Google. Scroll down. Choose and open accounts and backup. Click here. After that, choose manage accounts. After that, choose and open Google account. Click here. Scroll down. You can see security and sign in. So choose and open security and sign in. Click on it. Scroll down. Manage all devices. Open it. In this, you can easily log out or sign out or remove your Gmail account from other phone or another phone. So let's see. After that, choose and open. Click here. Choose sign out. This will remove access to your Google account from the device. After that, choose and select sign out. In this way, you can easily log out or sign out or remove Gmail account or Google account from other phone or another phone. And in this time I can show second process. So go to your Gmail. In this time I can show second process, how to log out or sign out or remove Gmail account from other phone or another phone. After that, left top corner 3 button option, click on it. Scroll down. Choose and open settings. After that, in this you can see your Gmail or Google account. So after that, choose and select your Gmail or Google account. So open it, Gmail. After that, choose manage your Google account. Click here. Security and sign in. Open it. Scroll down. Manage all devices. Open it. After that, open it. Choose sign out. After that, choose sign out. Click on it. In this way, you can easily log out or sign out or remove your Gmail account or Google account from other phone or another phone. So in this time I can show third process. So go to Google Play Store. After that, choose and open Google Play Store. After that, right top corner, click here. Choose and select manage your Google account. Open it. You can see security and sign in. Click on it. Choose and open manage all devices. Open it. You can see 2 sessions on Android phone, and in this you can easily log out or sign out or remove Gmail account from other devices or another devices. After that, choose and open it. Choose and select sign out. After that, choose sign out. Click here. In this way, you can easily log out Gmail account from other devices or other phone, or log out Gmail account from another phone or another devices. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.